Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got an unusual truck. I bought a 2018 Ford F450 landscape truck slash snowplow truck. This is the ultimate workhorse. You can work this truck summer or winter. It's got that's a 19-foot landscaping beds. You can put some mowers, some equipment. These ramps fold down. That's your salt sprayer. It's controlled from up front. It's got a control. You can put your weed eater equipment. It's got D-rings on the deck. So it's 19 foot long, 8 foot wide. And also these sides open up. So if you want to load from the side, that's really handy. Unload stuff with a forklift or many use for those sides to open up. It's on both sides. You put your gas tanks, there's all kind of other equipment up there. You can tie down some here, maybe a propane tank or some other kind of tank. You got a nice large toolbox. It's lockable. Of course. It's a lot better to do with two hands. Anyway, let's get back to the truck. So it's an XL, but it's got the power group, so it's gonna have keyless remote entry, power windows, power locks, power heated mirrors. So even though it's a work truck, it's still got some buttons on it. This snowplow is hydraulically controlled from inside. It's got a control. It's really well made. It's made in America. This is the EX82. You can actually disconnect it, which I've done when I had the truck serviced. It's not that bad. It's got some legs, and you drop it and you pull the pin out and you pick it up later when you need it again. So you can put it up for the summer, and then when the winter comes around, just hook it right back up. It's a one owner Tennessee truck. Get your running boards. That's where you put your depth fluid. These mirrors are the tow mirrors. You can pull them out and extend them out. So it's got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got easy clean vinyl seats. They're in good shape, no issues. The rubber floor, which is what you want on one of these trucks. Got automatic headlights, tilt steering. It's only got 29,269 miles. Got your trip computer. Yeah, that's about what you'll get. I got up to 11, but especially with the plow in front of it, it does put a lot of drag. That's outside temperature and so on. Got your tow mode. You can push the tow mode and you can manually shift up and down. Got a neat feature, exhaust brake, which is really handy when you're pulling a heavy load. Helps you slow down without wearing out your brakes. Shift on and fly forward drive. Factory trailer brake controller. Got auxiliary input. Got a 12 volt here. You got one more here and a 110. How about that? 400 watts. Simple radio, AM, FM, but with the auxiliary, you can hook up just about anything. This is how you control the plow, and this is how you control the salt machine. Got storage here. That takes two hands, but this lowers down. I'll show you from the other side, and it's got cup holder and storage. Got some auxiliary switch, which is real handy if you hook up some accessories. You can hook them up to these switches. Got the owner's manual for the truck and the snowplow. This was not a cheap truck. Tremendous savings. I've got a price well below all this, plus the $8,000 plow, so it's ready to go. Frame's nice and clean, no rust. Also, I put a new set of front tires because they were kind of unevenly wore. They were probably still good, but I don't know. I just put new tires to make it look better. Those were not cheap. They're 18 plies, about 500 bucks a piece. But it's ready to go. Okay. Nice clean frames. Back tires are good. That's where you put your fuel. Guess we'll go back around the other side. It's a big old truck. So yeah, maybe I can do it now. All right, here we go. So you got your armrest, you got a center console here, and some more cup holders. So you can put up to 3 people in here. That's your wheel simulator tool. Truck's in good shape. It's had extensive service. Recall's been performed. Also, when I got it, the oil pan was leaking, which is not unheard of on these. They put the upgraded gasket, which is better than the one that comes from the factory. It's a reusable gasket. And the transmission pan was leaking too, so that was all done under warranty. So it's had a oil change. We replaced fuel filters. And the transmission fluid has been replaced since they had to put a new gasket. So all that's been done. It is ready to go to work. It does come with the remainder of the factory warranty. You got up to 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and the 560 on the engine and transmission. So quite a bit of warranty left. And like I said, I've done everything that needs to be done to it. So all it needs is a new home. Looking for a sharp work truck in great condition at an affordable price. This is it right here. To see if this truck's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. If you got any questions, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.